have been farming for 21 years. My family always farmed. My grandfather started farming here, and then my dad, and then I joined the operation. I was always involved with the farm, even as a child. I couldn't wait to be there. It was, I don't know, something about the excitement, all the moving parts, and just things happening all at the same time. I would ride combines and tractors, all day long. I'd sleep in the back, a little ledge on the back in the combine. I'd stay there all day long. No, we played all the time. Swam in the rice fields. We had at that time, flume ditches, and we jumped in, and it was like our swimming pool. One of the most fun parts about rice farming is harvest. We see the results. We've worked hard all year, and we're reaping what we sow. Nothing ever stays the same in conservation. We're constantly learning. Sustainability is a moving target. Once you accomplish one goal, you move to the next one. Precision leveling land, that was a way to make it more productive and produce more and use less water. Instead of cascading water from the top of the field and letting it cascade all the way to the bottom, we're delivering water to each individual paddy. In turn, we're reducing water use even more. We're proud of what we grow. I know who we sell to. When I see those packages on the shelf, I'm proud to tell people that my rice is packaged and on the shelf. It's exciting. I'll bring home rice that I've milled on a small mill, and show my children, this is the rice that you've been driving by every day. They're proud that we farm. They're proud that we grow rice. They tell their friends, and their families, that, hey, that's our rice.
USA Rice offers this event to be able to provide a link to our attendees to understand where the rice comes from here. To understand the sustainable farming practices we utilize here, to understand the work that goes into this, to see the people behind the grain.
It was really amazing to see how much, they're fifth generation, sixth generation farmers that work the land, but they're using technology to grow rice in better and smarter ways.
The most amazing part was actually just hanging out with people that just wanted to learn more about rice, seeing everybody's enthusiasm going into it, and all of us learning bits about it that we never knew.
What I learned from the tour today was the process of taking the rice from seed to field and seeing what it takes to haul it, mill it, and different ways that it was processed and packaged.
The most amazing thing was probably all of the technology that they use on the farm and how they incorporate that into actually making it more sustainable.
I was really impressed by how they're able to utilize aquaculture to help, re-energize the soil that they're using. Letting the ducks come down, keeping it at a certain height of water so they can just sit there, graze, eat, and it just rejuvenates the soil that they have there. And they're doing the same thing with crawfish, which is pretty awesome.
Cooking competitions are always really fun. It was really great to work in the Viking kitchen.
Anytime just to hang out and cook with a cool group of people is always fun. We actually did a smoked catfish fried rice.
The cooking competition was great fun, and it always is. Anytime that you get a group of people that enjoy cooking together, it's just a lot of fun.
We got 25 minutes left.
The cooking competition was awesome. I had a really awesome partner. The kitchen was well equipped.
Well, today's competition was fantastic because my team won.
I think that learning, everything that you learn compounds on everything else. So, when you're immersed in learning, when you're standing in the field, when you're tasting the rice, when you're hearing the loud machines in the factory, that knowledge base builds and makes you a better chef and really lets you understand what it takes to put an ingredient on the plate.